Mayush from Rotary Public School. Today I am going to explain you about L298N Motor Driver. Through this motor, we can control two motors. If we want to control four motors, we have to pair it with same polarity through these pins. As you can see, there are these three power pins. There is 12 volt, GND and 5 volt. Through the 12 volt and GND, we connect the battery and power the L298N motor driver. And there are two enable A and enable B which control the speed of the motor, and there are four input pins. When the enable A comes on high state, enable 1 in input 1 and input 2 becomes active, and when enable B comes on high state, input 3 and input 4 becomes active. And when we connect the motors with here with these pins and power the 5 volt to input 1, output 1 becomes positive and output 2 becomes negative. And when we connect the 5 volt to input 2, output 1 becomes negative and output 2 becomes positive. Let me show you the demonstration. Here I have set the enable B to high state, and now I am going to set the enable A to high state by shorting it. Now I am adding the motors. Now I am adding the second motor. Now you can see that I have successfully added the two motors. Now I am going to power the motor driver with the battery. Now I have successfully added the battery also. Now let me show you the demonstration. As you can see that the enable A is on high state, and when I connect the 5 volt to input 1, the wheel rotates, and when I connect this 5 volt to input 2, the wheel rotates in another direction. Same with the enable B. When I connect this to input 4, the wheel rotates, and when I connect to input 3, the wheel rotates in another direction. Thank you.